8.6 Kasmat Sthanat, from which place? In this video, we are going to learn Panchami Vibhakti, means ablative case, through the lesson Kasmat Sthanat. Kasmat Sthanat or Kutah means the same thing. These are replaced by the words in the Panchami Vibhakti, means ablative case of the noun in the answer. For example, Pita Kutah Gruham Agacchati, from where does father come home? The answer would be Pita Karyalayat Gruham Agacchati, father comes home from office. Karyalayat, from the office, is the ablative singular form. Please note, the word denoting the place from which ablation or separation, means apadan, is made is in the ablative case. Activity 8.6.1 Eshaha Gruham Agacchati, Eshaha Kutah Gruham Agacchati. This boy comes home. From where does he come home? Eshaha Vittakoshat Gruham Agacchati. This boy comes home from a bank. Eshaha Relsthanakat Gruham Agacchati. This boy comes home from the railway station. Eshaha Patshalayaha Gruham Agacchati. This boy comes home from school. Eshaha Nadyaha Gruham Agacchati. This boy comes home from the river. The words Vittakoshat, Relsthanakat, Patshalayaha, Nadyaha are the ablative singular forms. Let's see some more examples. Mihiraha Granthalayam Gacchati, Granthalayat Gruham Agacchati. Mihir goes to the library. From library he comes home. Avani Mandiram Gacchati, Mandirat Gruham Agacchati. Avani goes to the temple. She comes home from the temple. Mahila Vatikam Gacchati, Vatikayaha Gruham Agacchati. The woman goes to the garden. She comes home from the garden. Pitamaha Nagarim Gacchati, Nagaryaha Gruham Agacchati. Grandfather goes to the city. He comes home from the city. The words Granthalayat, Mandirat, Vatikayaha, Nagaryaha are the ablative singular forms. Let's see some examples of nouns with their ablative singular form given on the page number 22 of your textbook. First, masculine noun. For this, we will refer the table of Akarantam Pullingi Shabda Devaha, Devaha, Devata. Hastaha, Hastat, Falakaha, Falakat, Margaha, Margat, Parvataha, Parvatat, Asandaha, Asandat, Ghataha, Ghatat, Karnaha, Karnat, Vidyalayaha, Vidyalayat. Now, neuter noun. For this, we will refer the table of Akarantam Napusaklingi Naam Vanam, Vanam, Vanata. Patram, Patrat, Dwaram, Dwarat, Mukham, Mukhat, Pushpam, Pushpat, Phalam, Phalat, Shakam, शाकात्, पुस्तकं पुस्तकात्, पानकं पानकात्, दुग्धं दुग्धात्, उद्यानम उद्यानात्. Now, akarantam feminine noun. Akarantam स्त्रीलिंगी नाम माला. माला मालायाः. मापिका मापिकायाः. नासिका नासिकायाः. नलिका नलिकायाः. पाठशाला पाठशालायाः. मार्गिका मार्गिकायाः. मंजुषा मंजुषायाः. शर्करा शर्करायाः. वाटिका वाटिकायाः. दोला दोलायाः. Now, ikarantam स्त्रीलिंगी नाम. For this, we will refer the table of ikarantam feminine noun nadi. Nadi nadyah. कर्तरी कर्तर्याः. मार्जनी मार्जन्याः. लेखनी लेखन्याः. पुनःपुरनी पुनःपुरन्याः. घटी घट्याः. कुपी कुप्याः. Activity 8.6.2. वृक्षात् फलं पतति. A fruit falls from a tree. आकाशात् जलं पतति. Water falls from the sky. आसन्दात् गिरीशः पतति. Girish falls from a chair. बालकाः अश्वात् पतति. A boy falls from the horse. Let's solve Bhasha Abhyas given on the page number 27 of your textbook. Chitram drishtva vakyani vadat. See the picture and make sentences. Hastat karavastram patati. The handkerchief falls from the hand. पेटिकायाः सा पुस्तकं स्वीकरोति. She is taking out the book from the box. क्षेत्रात् कृषिवलः आगच्छति. The farmer comes from the field. नद्याः माता आगच्छति. Mother comes from the river.